Good evening everyone, I am Priyanka. Let's look at today's headlines. Maharashtra police has arrested over 40 people and filed an FIR against 300 others after a massive protest in Badlapur over the alleged sexual assault of 2 minor girls. The protest led to train service disruptions and lathi charge by police on Tuesday. To prevent further unrest, security has been heightened at the railway station with personnel deployed to avoid a repeat of Tuesday's chaos. As of the time of recording the video, the hearing on the matter is still ongoing on the High Court. At least 17 workers were killed with 34 others injured on Wednesday as an explosion occurred at the 40-acre Asiantia Advanced Sciences plant in Anakpalli district, Andhra Pradesh. The officials suspect that the blast originated from a chemical reactor. The state government has provided a bulletproof car for Governor Thawarchand Gehlot. It is in the wake of violent statewide protests condemning the Karnataka governor's grant of permission to prosecute Chief Minister Siddaramaiah over the alleged Muda scam. The Raj Bhavan sources said that the state constitutional head's security has been tightened. Fans of Enigma are in for a treat as the iconic new age and world beat musical project, famous for its Gregorian chant-infused music, is set to perform in India for the first time. The much-anticipated event will take place at Jaya Mahal Palace grounds in Bengaluru on October 5th. A 24-year-old youth was arrested for allegedly raping a 65-year-old woman in Chintamani on Wednesday. The accused has been identified as Irfan, a resident of Hyderabad Nagar in Chintamani. BJP MP Tejasvi Surya highlighted the traffic ooze of Bengaluru city on Wednesday. He also called on Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, Bengaluru's in-charge minister, to convene an urgent meeting with elected representatives and traffic management experts to address the issue. The first batch of 9 Dasara elephants led by veteran Abhimanyu began their journey from Nagaraholli Tiger Reserve in Hunsur, Mysuru district on Wednesday. Mysuru district in-charge Minister H.C. Mahadevappa and Forest Minister Ishwara Khandre flagged off the Gajapayana or elephant procession after a puja ceremony. The elephants paraded for 2 km from the Forest Department gate to Ashram School before being transported to Mysuru by truck. The procession was accompanied by cultural dances from local tribal school students. The 9 elephants, including the Howdah carrying Abhimanyu, Kanjan, Ekalavya, Bhima, Lakshmi, Varalakshmi, Rohit, Dhananjay and Gopi, were all beautifully decorated for the occasion. At least 10 people were killed after a heavy rainfall in Tripura's capital city, Agartala, led to floods due to overflowing Gomati River, with over 34,000 people being displaced. Over the past 2 days, heavy rainfall across various districts in Tripura has led to severe flooding in several parts of the state. Initial reports suggest that the flooding has also caused significant damage to homes, livestock, roads, electricity infrastructure, and crops. Hezbollah fired over 50 rockets and launched several drones at northern Israel on Wednesday, hitting homes in the Israeli-annexed Golan Heights and injuring 1 person. The attack came just a day after U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken met with mediators from Egypt and Qatar, even as both Hamas and Israel dismiss the idea of ceasefire in Gaza anytime soon. Online vendors have generated 15.8 million jobs in India, including 3.5 million for women, with about 1.76 million retail enterprises participating in e-commerce activity, says a report released on Wednesday. The report, assessing the net impact of e-commerce on employment and consumer welfare in India, was launched by Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal. E-commerce, according to the report, has been a key driver of employment generation in India. On an average, online vendors employ 54% more people and almost twice the number of female employees compared to offline vendors. Indian national football team head coach Manolo Marquez announced a 26-player squad for India's preparatory camp ahead of three-nation Intercontinental Cup in Hyderabad, scheduled from September 3rd to 9th during the FIFA window. The tournament will feature teams from Syria, Mauritius, and India, currently ranked 124th. According to a press release, the All India Football Federation training camp will start from 31st August in Hyderabad. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.